breakfast for, ano na nga ngayon, ano oras? 7:03 na po. And then, ayan, mag-ano na ako. Kain na ako. Bibili ako ng almusal. Mag-ilamos muna ako kasi may muta-muta pa. So, hintayin nyo lang ako mamaya, guys. Wait lang. Guys, so ito yung kape. And then, overload. Ayan. Kain na tayo, guys. Hintayin nyo na ako, guys, pag natapos na. Papakita ko sa inyo, guys. Wait lang. Ito siya, guys. Ayan. Valuable siya, guys. And for Jenny Sandoval. Ayan. So, yun yung ano ko for valuable sa sa school. Dahil nag-district kami ng volleyball sa school. Lumamang kami sa Imelda, Ninoy Elementary School. Tapos Tanyong Integrated yata or elementary. Yun, guys. Ito siya, guys. Babasahin ko. Certificate. Their certificate of recognition is presented to Martin M. Sugitan, M. of Tonsuya Elementary School, receiving the Best Athletic Award. Volleyball Boys District Level, 2nd place. This certificate serves as a testament to your exceptional effort and accomplishments which have brought pride to the city of Malabon. Given this 4th of July at Tonsuya Elementary School grounds, Han Jenny and Sandoval, City Mayor. Yun, guys, ayun yung binasa ko for volleyball district, boys. Yun, guys. Tapos, mayroon pa akong medal doon. Ayun siya, andun siya, guys. Hindi ko lang siya binababa kasi baka mawala. Makambasira. Yun, guys. So, ayan. Yun lang yung aking vlog ngayon kasi breakfast lang naman. Nag-breakfast na ako. Yun. So, like for part 2 na lang, guys, kung gusto nyo pa. Wait. Bye-bye, guys.